this is the week 3 functions. So my equation was the fx equals the square root of 2 minus x plus 5, and we were all given the same numbers of -3, 2, and -a. So let's begin with the -3. So let's plug it into our equation to look something like this. So f -3 equals the square root of 2 minus -3 plus 5. So let's begin to simplify this. So f -3 equals the square root of 2 plus 3 plus 5. So a negative and a negative makes a positive, so that's why we would add the 3 now instead of subtracting. So f -3 equals the square root of 5 plus 5. I personally always add from left to right first, so I added the 2 and the 3 first together. And then f -3 equals the square root of 10. Add the two 5's together and you get your final answer of the square root of 10. So now let's plug in our 2 into the equation. So same thing, we can, plug it in. So the f2 equals the square root of 2 minus 2 plus 5. So I simplify this. f2 equals the square root of 0 plus 5. I also, again, begin to solve from left to right. So start by subtracting 2 minus 2 and you will get 0. So then f2 equals the square root of 5. Add the 0 and 5 together and your final answer is the square root of 5. Now let's plug in our -a. It'll look like something like this. So f -a equals the square root of 2 minus -a plus 5. So let's simplify it. F -a equals the square root of 2 plus a plus 5. Another negative and a negative make a positive, so that's why I would add the a now. So then you get f -a equals the square root of a plus 7. Since there's only one a, you leave that alone, and you would instead add the 2 and the 5 together to get 7. So your final answer is f -a equals the square root of a plus 7. So that is it. I hope this helps a little bit.